Hi, my name is Yu Shern. Today, I would like to show you my project, Singapore Zoo AI Chatbot. Using OpenAI and Streamlit, I managed to create a chatbot that has the ability to chat with the user, powered by OpenAI, and more amazingly, only answer questions related to Singapore Zoo. So first, I use Streamlit for my GUI and I use OpenAI for my main project. The hardest part about this project is to make the system context. Sometimes ChatGPT doesn't listen to you even though you provided the context, as it goes into some other website inside the website. And so we have to be very specific with the context so that ChatGPT will listen to us. Also, one other hard part is to display the chat history. I spent a long time figuring it out. Now, let me show you my project. First, I'll make it generate a different areas of Singapore Zoo. As you can see, it generated different areas of Singapore Zoo. Second, I'll make it generate an itinerary. As you can see, ChatGPT can also generate an itinerary with tips to help you. However, thirdly, I will type something unrelated to Singapore Zoo. As you see, ChatGPT would not generate anything other than Singapore Zoo. However, what will happen if I type another country zoo? As you see, it only can generate information of Singapore Zoo.